નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Dear students, today we will learn Standard 6 Social Science first chapter Sources of History. First we will understand what is the meaning of sources of history. Sources of history means something that tell us about history. It may be document, a picture, a sound recording or a book. Let's start our lesson. Early in the morning, you receive a newspaper which makes you aware of the daily events and incident. In the morning, we have a habit to read newspaper. From them, we come to know daily events and incident. After some time, these events become the past. We recall the date and time when the same type of incident happens. Here, the meaning of recall is to repeat it. We repeat the date and time that same thing happens with us. If something happens, it's good or bad in our life, we always remember that time and date. When the same type of incident happen in our life, photographs and detailed information given in the past event in the newspaper help us to know our history. To know the history, we can get information from newspaper which we can get from photographs of events. In the above painting, you can see a stamp, an idol, seal, utensil, vessels and various other tools. In the above painting, we can see stamp, ticket, an idol, mahor, seal, statue, utensil, vessel and various other tools, aujar. We come to know history through such sources. It is necessary to have knowledge of the past and to understand the present situation. What is our history? To know, for that we have to understand present situation. We know history of thousands of years from old or ancient buildings, forts, temples, stepwells and other sites. What is our history? Before 1000 years ago, we can know from there ancient building, ancient यानी कि पुरानी building, forts, temples, stepwells and other sites. When collecting articles, photographs and pictures of paintings, we gather historical information. You might even know some people who have a collection of old paintings, photographs, coins, stamps and written information. Maybe also we know some person who have this type of hobby to collect of painting, coins, stamps, photographs. This treasure of information was passed to us by earlier generations. Here the meaning of treasure means khajana. We get all type of information from our earlier generation. In December 2000, most of the newspaper had published various articles with photographs on the incident and events of the 20th century, which become famous of as Millennium Gallery. Here question is, what is Millennium Gallery? The information along with the pictures about the incident and events which took place during the 20th century was published in December 2000 by almost all the newspapers. This become known as Millennium Gallery. You are aware of incident and personalities of the 20th century from articles and photographs. What was personalities and incident of 20th century We get all the information from articles and photographs. Since our history is very ancient, we are always eager to know what people were eating and wearing, in how they lived and in what type of houses, and the activities they were a part of their daily life. Our history is ancient. We always eager to know what type of people living, how they lived, what type of houses there, like kacha house, pakka house, which type of clothes they are wearing, and what is their daily activities. Let's gather some information from reliable sources. First, we will learn about Tadpatra and Bhojpatra. We can know about the past through various sources, the Tadpatra and Bhojpatra. Manuscripts written mostly in the Pandu scripts are some of them. Bhojpatras are made from the skin of a tree named Bhoj. First, we will understand what is meant by Tadpatra. During ancient times, the volume or articles were written on the bark of a palm tree. This kind of writing is known as Tadpatra. And what is Bhojpatra? A special type of the name tree, Bhoj, is found on the Himalayas mountains. During ancient times, the volumes or articles were written on its bark. This kind of writing is known as Bhojpatra. Although most of the Pandu manuscripts have been destroyed by insects, some are still preserved in temples, viharas, libraries, and government museums. Most of Pandu script, here meaning of destroyed means finished by some insect, and some are still preserved in temples, viharas, libraries, and government museum. Using these sources, we get a lot of information about kings, administration, and public life in ancient times. Using this information, we can get information about king administration and what is the life of ancient people. Second is record in stone inscription. In ancient time, main incidents like achievement of the kings, writing of orders, and treaties with other states were carved on stone or metal plates. These metal and stone writing, known as inscriptions, exist even today and are preserved in archives such as the National Archives of Delhi. Here, the meaning of treaties is agreement between two or more states. In ancient time, many kings carved the details of the achievement of their state administration on metal plates or stone. Moreover, they carved the writing of orders or the treaty with other states on the metal plates or stones. This type of writing are called as inscription. Even also we can see here in the National Archives of Delhi. Now third is vessel, ornaments and tools. During excavation means to dig out. Utensil, stone tools and ancient ornaments are found which help us to know the history of ancient times. Based on picture of 1.4, gather information on similar objects found from an excavation site near your residence, just as archaeologists do. What is the meaning of archaeologist? It means a person who study of past by excavation and analysis of its material remain. We too can know the history of ancient times from old coins, stone, inscription, painting and metal plates. In short, the archaeologists use vessels of clay and metal of ancient time, weapons of stones, ornaments, idols, pictures, seals, instruments, coin, stamps, inscription, copper plates, bhojpatra, old monuments, forts, ponds, temples, stepwell, etc. for knowing history. We know that there are various sources from which we can get authentic historical information. Let's collect the sources from which we can gather the history of our town, city, or village. Thank you for joining us.